Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore account security with Bank of America digital banking step by step clearly. Log in to your Bank of America digital banking account. If you are unable to log in, click on Forgot ID or Password. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Reset your password as directed. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile section. Select Security Settings from the menu. Review your current security questions. Consider updating them to enhance your account security. Add a mobile number for two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. Enable alerts for account activity in the Notifications section. Review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you spot unusual activity, report it immediately. Update your email address if it is changed. Consider setting up account alerts for low balances or large transactions. Review authorized devices on your account. Remove any devices that you do not recognize. Ensure your recovery options are up to date. Log out of your account when finished. Keep your login credentials secure and private. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.